Hi, this is a quick video about the Snooper DVR-WF1 and its Wi-Fi connectivity. Camera obviously here is plugged into its power supply. You need to turn the camera on. The blue light will show. And the Wi-Fi will automatically turn on. Onto your phone or Android device. Test 3 is what I've called this camera. You can change the name of it from the app itself. Wait for it to connect and open the app. To stop the recording, press the stop button. It will then allow you to change settings, camera name, loop video settings, resolution, how much space you have on the card, format the card if you want to delete all the files, even down to the version. If you go to Album and Camera Files, it will show you all the files that are actually on the device. If you tap on one, it allows you to open it, download it, or delete it. If I delete the file, it will be gone from the camera as well. And that is the Snooper DVR-WF1 Wi-Fi app. Thank you.